welcome. So, you guys are absolute weirdos. I did a poll on Instagram and 94% of you want to see what's in our fridges. Now, that is just weird. Like, I saw some YouTubers doing it and I was like, do people really want to see what's in your fridge? So, yeah, everyone knows what this video is about. So, if you don't know already, I'm Nikki Conroy. I'm going to dedicate this video to my dear friend Christopher, and just because whenever I think of the fridge or anything to do with the fridge, I think of my gran saying, remember when that boy used to come round on summer holidays and the first thing he'd do is go straight into the fridge and eat the contents of the fridge. So this one's for you, Chris. Now, I've not actually looked in these fridges, so I'm a bit scared. I was just like, I'm just going to throw a video out there, show everyone what's in the fridges, because this is like such a weird thing for me to do. I know it's been a hot second, so welcome back. And let's go check out what's in my fridges. Eggs. Okay, so now just a disclaimer, I've literally just come down. I've not tidied it, I've not even looked in it. Da, da, da. So let's see what we've got in here. So let me just show you. Looks like this, and I'm going to give you a bit of a tour. I don't know how people actually like these. Anyway, so what have we got in here? So we've got yogurt, tzatziki, some old AF cranberry sauce, more yogurt, cream, hummus, cream cheese. This is like the cheese straw. So we've got mozzarella balls, mozzarella. Under there we have cheddar cheese, lots of feta. Now this is what I like to call the pig drawer. So we have lots of cooked meats, bacon. I think there's some turkey in here. Yep, there's one down. So we've got olives. We have some leftover salad. I don't even know what this is. Mum made some meatballs, so we have homemade meatballs. This is like the salad drawer, so we have tomatoes, mint, we have radishes, peppers, lettuce, more tomato, more radishes. What's in here? So we have so many boxes, I don't even know what's in them. That's some like spicy pasta I made. Mushrooms. Of course, leftover Chinese, like that was inevitable. This is like a big veggie drawer. So we have lemons. What on earth is that? I think that's like a big purple cabbage. Yep. That is a big cabbage. What is this? Basil. Parsley. What is this? Wild rocket. This is like my favourite. Lots of lemons, limes. Carrots, more herbs. Okay, let's go to the side drawer. So we have, there are actually some baby bells hidden there. Petit filou, mint sauce. So we'll go top to bottom. We have mint sauce, jam, capers, petit filou. We have Madras curry paste, marmalade, horseradish, baby onions, mango chutney, jalapenos, sun-dried tomatoes, rhubarb, strawberry jam. These are like little cute yogurts that my mum got for my niece. Pizza Express dressing is life, even though the bottle looks really manky. Salad cream, ginger paste, tomato paste, more jalapenos. What's that? Ah, salsa. Thai basil, green and blue milk. The one, the only. And we got there in the end. Nando's Peronaise, live. Normal mayo. Okay guys, so that is fridge 1. Hope you enjoyed. Let's go to the next fridge. Okay. Now this is kind of like the meat fridge, what I like to call the meat fridge. It's like low down. It's in the pantry where all the washing machines are. So, however, I say meat fridge and then the first thing that we see is actually the one, the only, my favourite Cauldron organic tofu. That's like some sort of dog food that my mum makes for the dogs. We just store extra milk here, potatoes, more milk, chicken sausages, strawberries, more feta cheese and more Greek yogurt, and actually, yeah, this is where we keep all our like Stork baking butter. So yeah, oh, and that thing there is also homemade dog food that my mum makes for the dogs. Excuse me walking through the loo. Our other fridge is through here. So this, I have to say, is the most important fridge. So, ta-da! Okay, that was an epic fail. So this is like the alcohol fridge. So we've just got Prosecco, a few champagnes. What have we got under there? So because of quarantine, my mum's been like buying these mini Proseccos to go on picnics. So lots of mini Proseccos, more Prosecco, fizzy water, beers, more beers, Diet Cokes. And then in here there is some tonic. I don't actually know. Spiced mulled cider. Ugh. Tinny for the road. Savannah cider. And lots of half bottles of lemonade. Which, like, annoys me. But, anyway. Tiny bit of wine. And, yeah. So, yeah. This is the most important fridge. In my opinion. That was, like, the weirdest video I ever did, like, ever. So, what do you think? What is in there? Let me think. Oh, and if you're new here, subscribe down below to my channel if you enjoyed the video. Mozzarella balls, like, the fridges were a mess. I'm sorry. Oh, those plastic container things. My mum got inspiration from Mrs. Hinch, so, yeah. Weirdly as well, my husband likes to like clean out the fridge and clean out the cupboards, which maybe a bit of OCD. Maybe it's a good thing because I am, like, if you know me, the messiest person you will ever meet. So yeah, the dieting's going well. My dad's shouting about getting kebabs for dinner. Despite that whole fridge full of food. And yeah, weirdest video ever. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, subscribe to see more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.